What's going on? Garrett here. Now you're watching this video because maybe you're researching a way to make more money online. Maybe you're researching how to use EZOneUp, which is a direct sales opportunity. Well, what I want to share with you in this video is how anyone, no matter your background, no matter your experience level, maybe you've tried and failed in the past, I want to ease your mind for a second and share with you some information that I really believe will change your life in 2020 and forevermore. Because once you learn these skill sets that I'm going to share with you how you can get access to inside of this very video, you can write your own paycheck for years to come. Now, I want to share on the screen right now, you can see that I had a $250 commission come in instantly on autopilot. Okay, now I'm not sharing this to brag or to impress you, but to impress upon you what's possible when you learn these strategies. See, that commission, that sale was generated just using the strategies you learn inside our EZOneUp team. Now, I'm not special. I actually dropped out of college and I was struggling as a waiter for many years. I was, just barely able to make ends meet. I remember I got down to about $27 in my bank account. And I started researching online. I started looking at YouTube videos. Now, there's a lot of people online that claim to be getting results, or that, claim that, this thing's gonna promise you the world, and then you get in there and it never actually delivers. And I dealt with that over and over again. And I remember when I was in my darkest time, when I was barely making ends meet, I told myself, if I ever found the way to make money online, I was gonna share it. I'm not someone, if you followed me for a while, I'm not someone to kind of hide these secrets. I truly believe there's enough money in the world for, everyone. I feel like there's an abundance of income that we can make as a team, as a community. And that's why I'm so motivated to always create these videos. Now, what I want to share with you is a little bit more about EZOneUp. There will be a button or a link under this video that at any time you can find out more information. Unlike some of those other sponsors and people that are a part of this business, I actually want to help you when you get started. There's different levels, and the great thing about EZOneUp with this business is it's a one-time investment. There's no monthly fees. Whatever level you decide to join at, you just pay that amount one time, and then you can get access to all that training and the levels below it. Okay, so if you come in at a level, you unlock that level and all the levels before. Now, at my website, my10ksystem.com, which again, you can find out more information at below this video, you're gonna find out more about what I offer at the different levels. Some of the levels, I will literally share up to $4,000 worth of bonus training totally for free. Now, what are we actually doing with EZOneUp? Well, like I said, if you've been researching, EZOneUp is a direct sales business, and we're selling products that are digital marketing training. So products teaching people how to start their own successful business online. Now, the beautiful thing is all we do on a daily basis is just copy and paste ads on social media like Facebook, YouTube. If you want to create videos, you don't have to put your face out there. You don't have to even create a single video. I know some people worry about that. You can post on Instagram. Basically, you can use whatever method, whatever social media you're already on, you can just use that to start to paste ads on. Once you join me, you're going to get access to different advertisements that you can start to share on your social media. And once you do that, people that are interested are going to respond. They're going to ask you for more info, and then all you do is you share with them your website. Now, your website's going to be totally created for you. You don't have to worry. I know I'm not very technical. Okay, I barely know how to create a YouTube video. So you'll have your website done for you, and then you just send people your website, and then the interested ones that see an opportunity will join. And that's how you're gonna make 100% instantly paid commissions. That's how I was able to make $250 even while I was sleeping, okay? So it's absolutely incredible. I just wanted to share this. I have teammates all over the world. I'm actually on the leaderboards consistently. You can see a screenshot here of me being on the leaderboard, okay? So when you join me, you're gonna be able to work with someone one-on-one that's actually been in the trenches and have seen what works, seen what doesn't work, and has been getting some great results, okay? So again, my friend, I hope this helped you, I'm here for you. I want to help you succeed in 2020. Times are tough right now. A lot of people can't leave their home. Let's make this your best year yet, and let's partner up together, my friend. I'm here for you. Go down below, check out the info, pick a level to come in at, and let's do this. God bless, and I'll talk soon.